Veggie Babies.
Carrots orange, bright and sweet, full of crunch, you love to eat. Orange like sunsets in the sky, wave your colors, don't be shy. Sing in color veggies, hooray! Paint the rainbow, dance and play. Red, green, yellow, shout, hooray! Healthy and happy every day. Broccoli's green, so strong and tall, helping you grow, big and all. Green like leaves that sway and bend. Veggie colors never end. Sing in color veggies, hooray! Paint the rainbow, dance and play. Red, green, yellow, shout, hooray! Healthy and happy every day. Tomatoes red and full of cheer, full of flavor, loud and clear. Red like hearts that love to glow. Sing it loud, let's let it show. Sing in color veggies, hooray! Paint the rainbow, dance and play. Red, green, yellow, shout, hooray! Healthy and happy every day. Corn is yellow, bright as sun. Eating colors is so much fun. Color your plate with veggie light and keep your body shining bright. Sing in color veggies, hooray! Hey! Paint the rainbow, dance and play and play. Red, green, yellow, shout, hooray! Veggie colors save the day.
Yay! Thanks for watching, Veggie friends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a veggie adventure. See you next time. Hooray!